Watch. David Dobrik sued for $10 million by former Vlog Squad member. The legal battle between the parents of Brian Laundrie and Gabby Petito continues. On June 22, Christopher and Roberta Laundrie did not attend the first court hearing of the civil suit brought against them by the Petito family, per People. The couple was not legally required to attend the hearing, which will determine if the case goes to trial. However, Gabby's parents Joseph Petito and Nicole Schmidt were in. During the hearing, Judge Hunter Carroll heard arguments from both attorneys and later shared that he expects to make a decision within the next 2 weeks. Back in March, the Petito family filed a lawsuit against the Laundries for allegedly helping their son attempt to cover up Gabby's death. In their complaint, Gabby's parents allege that Christopher and Roberta were keeping the whereabouts of Brian Laundrie secret and making arrangements for him to leave the country after he went missing in September during the search for the then-missing Gabby. They are seeking compensation for the damages they have suffered alongside additional relief, according to the docs. In response, the Laundries' lawyer Stephen Bertolino told E! News that the family had no obligation to speak to law enforcement. 2 months later, Gabby's mom Nicole filed a separate wrongful death lawsuit against the curator of Brian Laundrie's estate in May. The complaint asked for a trial by jury and compensatory damages of at least $30,000 after the family incurred funeral and burial expenses, experienced a loss of care and comfort, and suffered a loss of probable future companionship, society and comfort after their daughter's death in 2021. Bertolino previously told E! News that the wrongful death lawsuit was fully expected. He continued, "This lawsuit will most likely not be defended and the Petitos will have gained nothing more than a piece of paper that tells them what everyone already knows, which is that Brian was responsible for Gabby's death as indicated by the FBI." In September 2021, Gabby, an aspiring YouTuber, made national headlines when she was declared missing after embarking on a cross-country road trip with her fiancé Brian. The 22-year-old's remains were discovered later that month at a camping ground in Bridger-Teton National Forest in Wyoming. Brian, who had returned home to Florida without Gabby, later disappeared during the investigation and was found dead at the Miakahatchee Creek Environmental Park in North Port, Florida. He claimed responsibility for Gabby's death in a notebook which was found near his remains.